US Classic Muscle Cars at the World of Wheels Auto Show, and in front of us we have a 1968 Dodge Charger, and as you can see, it's a nice gray color all around the car when we walk around in a second. And also, guys, if you're ever looking for a car, the 1968 Dodge Charger is the car to get. It's amazing. I'm going to show you right now. So as we walk around, you can see that it's gray all around with wheels that are black, and on the inside of the wheels it's gray and silver as well. And as you can see, going through the door has a silver stripe going from the front to the back, which is a nice touch of detail that adds to the car. And as we go forth, on the back, as you can see, it's gray all around, like I mentioned, and the lights are circular and red on the inside. And as we keep on going and going, the name of the car will appear right here for you guys to see. As we go on to the inside, you can see that it's gray with red detailing, also to match the outside of the car. Gray and black is the theme. And it's a 1300 horsepower twin turbo Viper V10, and it's Legend 5 Speed Trans custom Viper base suspension by RS, chromoly tube, and it's 3-inch stainless exhaust routed through rocker panels. The body of the car is a roof wedge chop interior panels, all hand fabricated from aluminum, altered wheelbase and front rear wheel openings, short cowl shortened 4-inch with re-countered door gaps, scratch build coved door skins, 20 by 15 and 19 by 10 one-off wheels designed by RS, billeted tailgates by Greening Auto Company. And as well as the interior of the car goes, the seats and upholstery are beautiful. The RS gauze design and CNC machined gauze bezel shifter and pedals. Steering vents were all hand-built aluminum. Hood, bumpers, front, rear, lower body panels. Everything is amazing. And the paint title that was given to the car is Grosh Wars. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe.